Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss on parenting. When a child is going to enter the life, we are so happy because we want to welcome the guest. But we want to be proud of the child. For that we want to give them the best and receive the best from them. To expect this is not wrong, it's okay. But we should never forget that the child is through us. They are not our property or retirement or our investment. It is the best creation of God. And therefore, if we take it as a possession, the Creator may sacrilege us in the form of a child or in the form of any difficulties in our life. When a child is small, always a parent wants the child to recite a poem or something in front of their friends and relatives. But if child fails, they get angry and get insulted. Is it true? No. The child has its own mood. If you don't understand this, the child will feel inferior in front of others. The parent should try to know the reason why he was not able to recite in front of relatives or friends. Till they are kid, they are going to listen to you. They are the best audience. But at the age of 13 and hence onwards, they have their own choice. They have their own likings. They have so many problems in their lives which they want to discuss. If they discuss with their friends or peer group, you feel why they are discussing. Because they are feeling that their friends are true. Some way they feel that you are not honest. They want 100% honesty from their parents. If you are very honest, definitely they will come to you when they have the problems, because you are the guiding angel in their lives. You should behave in such a way that they will feel that whenever they need you are always there in their life. Some parents feel that the child should adopt the profession which they are observing. I don't think that it is wise, because to decide what is wrong for him or what is right, it should be according to their capacities, abilities, likings. The parent should first try to understand him, to understand his liking, and then should decide what they should do. It is better that we should choose a profession according to their own liking. Friends, you all might have seen the 3 Idiots, isn't that? Always remember, when they take their own decisions, it is their responsibility. They may not be successful, but they will be happy. And slowly they will develop the sense of responsibility. That is very important for them in the future. At the age of 12, 13 onwards, the things changes. Till 12 they are the audience. But after 13 and hence, they are influenced by the peer group. Before that, we should not clone them. We should give them little space. We should be little away, observe them and try to understand them. Because if they are influenced by their peer group, if they have any problems, they will first reach to their friends for the suggestions. Because they feel they are right. They don't trust parents when they feel that the parents are not 100% honest. So first, parents should be honest. Whatever they preach, they should observe. This gives a trust in the mind of a child. And whenever he faces a problem, he will come to the parent. You create a feeling that in the life, whenever you have a bad phase, we are always for you. You are just a guiding angel for them. You are not the boss. You are not the God. If we forget, then we lose. If you remember, child will be always there with you with a great bonding. A very important thing in the life, which we sometimes forget, comparison. We always compare the child with their own sis, bros, or friends or someone. Is it correct? No. Every individual has its own personality. Every individual has something. They cannot be like others. And if we won't go on comparing them, their personality development will be hampered. They will not be having independent identity. They will just copy or imitate others, which will not help them in the future of the life. Don't compare. Every person has a unique capacity, ability which God has given. Let that capacity prosper, flourish. Then the person will be a successful person. What we need is just to understand them. Sometimes the child may ask for things which is unreasonable. Don't bow down. But just don't say plainly no. Please explain him. Why? What is the reason for denying it? Because let them understand the value of money. Let them understand the priorities of the life, which is very important. The important thing which we miss is we always think that we are always right. But who will decide what is right and wrong? If a person says that I am always right, it is just a madness. Because what is right for me may not be right for you. So same thing with the parent and the child. A very small things, but we miss these things. We forget that we are not the boss of a child, but we are a friend of a child. Child should be very secured with us. Child should have a feeling of security, but with independence, freedom to do what he wants. How can we do this? A very simple thing is having a happy environment. I don't say lovable environment, happy environment, where there is a happiness. Maybe little love is less, but happiness is very important. That will nurture him. The next thing I always tell is communication. Communication is the biggest tool. With this tool, you can have a rapport with your child. I've seen some parents, when they are angry, they stop talking to their children. But that is wrong. Communication is the only thing which binds them. Let their anger, let their things which is disturbing them, let them come out. But then you can find a solution. And even they will be cool and calm. Never stop communication. Communication are very healthy. We are not supposed to blame them. We are not supposed to say that you are always wrong. We are there to guide them through this communication. Very important thing I have seen in my life is we want to be proud. To feel proud is a very happy moment in every parent's life. But for that, please inculcate in them honesty. Without honesty, nothing can make them. Care for others. A person has to be caring. Love. Determination. And the last is gratitude. Offer your gratitude to all the persons or everything which is helping you. If you inculcate these things, he will be a successful person. And definitely, you will be proud of your child. Thank you very much, dear. If you like my video, please share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.